entregaste, de trem, mas o que é que resolveste? Hoje te entregas a outro, e me das o teu coro, achando que é a solução da nossa relação. Eu bebi o meu veneno, esse tu te faz meu pequeno, tu chegaste ao extremo, e eu não me sinto nada bem.
She actually reacting much better. But now I'm gonna try the other charger. Like stepping forward, right? So. working a lot on this one. Either right now I just need one help because she's not actually holding now with a virgula, right? So Janet, right here. When I do one step, that's one. 1, 2, cha cha cha, step, cha cha cha, side together on the other one. So the step is called virgula. Go with it. So you step back.
You want me to step back?
Virgula, cha cha, cha cha cha, relax, cha cha cha, side together. Don't worry, the difference is the other one you came straight with this feet. So this one you good. This one you were good. Now we are starting with this one step. Diagonal, a virgula, virgula right away. So when you go virgula, then continue with the same leg. And then you do the other cha-cha-cha. It's just the relaxing in between because it's shocking for her and then she panic on the cha-cha in between, right? So that she do the virgula so that way I can do the step that she gotta work with it back right here and I can do the same as the cha-cha because she already know how to come here and control that movement with the cha-cha. Now she's gonna come right here and I can do a virgula right away with the cha-cha. And with that is much better for her. Virgula and cha-cha. And then exit of the man doing the cha-cha.
Okay, so the cha-cha with the back cross.
Cha-cha-cha. Now with the exit of the man, stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, virgula, cha-cha. Yes, exactly. Those two ones, okay? Yeah, yeah.
Count it. No, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. So the first step is gonna be the cha-cha. So it's back, front. But we're not gonna do them straight like this. The first one we have to go a little like that way, a little like this, yes. And then this one you turn your foot as well. But make small steps. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2. Pa, 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 and the second one you do the same, 2. The same way you did the first, the 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. The one here you do the same. I don't want to switch over. You don't switch, you use that leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, pa, pa, pa. Then right away, pa. Yeah, pa, pa, pa. So it's like doing the same thing with twice. Exactly. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, pa, 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 2, pa, pa, pa. When you do the same thing, everyone on the other side. Here, not like this. I'm gonna go on your left. We can still face that mirror. We can still face that mirror. Everybody's facing. We can still face here, but I'm gonna go on that side so you can see. There you go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 2, cha, cha, cha. The same way. The cha, cha, cha. Stop.
Yeah, that usually people stab this thing on top. That's why the plastic is there.
But
It's not to open.
No, it was already.
No, it's not to open. Yeah.
It was, you wanted this?
Yeah. It's one